All right, welcome guys. This this chapter is an extract from Jam Remix. Credit to them. So let's get into it. Chemical bonding and shapes of molecule. When ammonium and hydrogen bond together to form ammonium ion, the bond is called here's the correct answer to it. Option D, coordinate bond. Coordinate bond. Now right, jot down. Coordinate slash or dative bond exists between ammonium ion, oxonium ion. Oxonium is Oxonium. Oxonium ion. At least those are the most common ones you see around. Number two, which of the following statement is true? When potassium atom forms its ion, it achieves electronic configuration of argon. Option C. Number three, helium atom are chemically unreactive because the outer shell is completely filled. Option D. 3 is option D. 4, the boiling point of water is higher than methanol because water possesses internal molecular forces of water are stronger than that of ethanol. 4 is option B, and this is due to hydrogen bond. Okay. Number 5, which of the following is true of electrovalent compound? Right. Electrovalent compound, electrons are transferred. Covalent compound, electrons are shared. Coordinate covalent compound, lone pair of electron is shared. So the correct answer for number 5 is they conduct electricity. Electrovalent compound, they conduct electricity also. It's one of their properties. 5 is D. 6, the electronic configuration of an element I was given to be 286. Y is 287. The bond of the compound formed by X and Y is expected to be, this bond is between a metal and a non-metal, so it is called a covalent bond, like sodium chloride. Option B. Sodium and chlorine. Option B. 6 is option B. 7, which of the following bond exists in crystalline ammonium chloride? They've repeated this question again now, so you could see 7 is option C, ionic, covalent, and coordinate bond. Now, write down. The bond between nitrogen and 3 atoms to form ammonia is called covalent bond. Next line. The bond between ammonia, NH3, and hydrogen to form ammonium is coordinate covalent bond. Now, write again. The bond between ammonium, which is NH4 plus, and chlorine is called ionic bond. So there are 3 bonds existing there. 8. Question 8. If an atom X with 6 electrons in its outermost shell combines with atom Y with only 1 electron in its outermost shell to form an ionic compound, then 1 atom of X would combine with 2 atoms of Y. Number 8 is option C. 9. The three-dimensional shape of methane is I would like us to take some common shapes that are frequently asked. Methane, shape of methane is a tetrahedra. Shape of water is angular or V-shape, or sometimes they say bent, B-E-N-T. Shape of ammonia is trigonal pyramidal. While shape of oxygen gas O2, CO2, H2, Cl2, and N2 are linear. Those ones, they have linear shape. So methane is tetrahedral. Option D. Number 10. Which of the following statements is not true of elements RUSTY? Option C. Okay, RUSTY. R, U, S, and T are metals. No, they are not metals. If you go through this, here is CR, CU, CS, CT, and Y. Which of the following is not true of them? Say they are metals, they are not metals. Okay. You could see T is a noble gas. You could see now T is a noble gas. T is a noble gas, so it's not it. It's not it. Question 11. For sake of time, an element with atomic number 12 is likely to be electrovalent with valency of 2. Option B. That's 11. 13. 11 is B. 13. The atomic number of two elements X and Y, 12 and 9 respectively. The bond in the compound formed between atoms of these two elements is, the bond is ionic, option A. 13. The greater the difference in electronegativity between bonded atoms, the higher the polarity of the atom. 13 is option B. The higher the polarity of the atom. 14. The forces holding naphthalene crystals together can be overcome when naphthalene is heated to a temperature of 354 Kelvin, resulting in the crystal melting. The forces are known as, question 14. These forces are known as, van der Waals forces, right? Van der Waals forces, option D. 20. A metallic ion X2 plus with an inert gas structure contains 18 electrons. How many protons are there in its ion? I'd like to demonstrate this with calculation format. 16. What are the possible oxidation number of an element if its atomic number is 17? I would also like to demonstrate that. 17. I also like to demonstrate that one. 18. Let's try 18. Which of the following terms indicate the number of bonds that can be formed by atom? 18 is option B. Valency indicate the number of bonds that can be formed. We are going to stop at question 25 on here in this video. 19. Atom of element X with 2 electrons in its outermost shell combined with Y with 7 electrons in its outermost shell. Which of the following statement is false? 19. The first statement here is that they have a formula XY. That's not true. Number 20. The ion X and Y are isoelectronic, each containing a total of 10 electrons. How many protons are in the nucleus of the neutral atom of X and Y respectively? 20. How many protons are there? 20. The ion X and Y are isoelectronic, each containing a total of 10 electrons. How many protons are in the nucleus of the neutral atom of X and Y respectively? I'd like to demonstrate this with a video also. 21. Which of the following represent the type of bonding present in ammonium chloride? Ammonium chloride. This question is repeated question 21. You could see that option C, ionic and dative bond. Ionic and dative bond, option C. 22. The electrons of two atoms Y and Z are arranged in shares as shown above. They didn't show us that, so skip that. 23. How many lone pair of electrons are there on the central atom of water molecule? Option B, you have 2 lone pairs. 24. An element E has an electronic configuration of this. The reaction of E with halogen would give us 24. I would like to demonstrate that one too with a video. Now to question 25, which will be the last question for this video. As the difference in electronegativity between bonded atoms increases, polarity of the bond does what? 25. The polarity, no, it's not there. Let's go up here. The polarity, remains unchanged. Option C. 25. The polarity will do what? Let me see. Okay, let's go back here. As the difference in electronegativity between bonded atom increases, polarity of the atom would increase too. The polarity of the atom would increase, option B. So question 25 is option B. Haven't gotten to this point. If there are questions you would like to ask about any specific question I treated and you lack clarity and you seek clarity, drop your questions in the comment section or visit our WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.